Hey guys, Chris Camaro here. Got another video today. Well, the other day I was trying to roll down my window and the little button broke, so I had to order a new window switch. So there we go. So from Amazon, but it's a Hyundai part, my 2011 Hyundai Sonata, or 14, so we'll see if it's going to be the right one. Alright, so here we go. Shouldn't do that. Should do that. Alright, so first thing you're going to do, take this little piece up here. And then there's a screw right there. Then behind the handle, you're going to take this piece off. Probably through, I forget how yet. No, from over here. Alright, so there's another screw there. So, we're going to grab our drill. Take the screw out. One. And you gotta take two. There's a magnet on it. Alright. And carefully. No, I think what's next? Yep, I think that's it. Alright. And you're gonna pull up from the bottom. The side. There you go. Just slowly go around. There's one more over here. Pop out. There it is. Okay. Then you have to get this piece off. So I'll take this off with a screwdriver, or my hand actually. There you go. And carefully, so don't break anything. Okay. Pull this up. There is the inside of the door. Now I'm replacing that. Hopefully it's the right one. But we'll see. So I'm going to take this off. Somehow. Take the wires out. And take that out. Alright. I can't figure out how to get that off the cable, so I just took out the wires and just have it sitting here. I think for this, looks like there's a couple tabs. It should just come right down, but I'm not sure yet. So I'm gonna grab the new one, plug it in, make sure it works. Alright, here's the new one. And this is black instead of gray, but it looks cool. Everything else is black, so here we go. Let's plug it in here. If you can see that, there we go. Not sure. Let me set this down for a minute. Alright, so we got it plugged in. Let's see if it works. And auto. Okay. Nice. Cool. Alright, now we just have to figure out how to put this in the door. Alright, so lift the tab. Lift the tab. First, you gotta get this effing tape off. What that's for, I couldn't tell you. If you can see here, there's a little space. Get your screwdriver up in there. Do not break the tabs off, because you will be screwed. So there's 3 on this side, 3 on the other side. So, as you can tell, I got the whole thing apart. Finally got that off. But it actually fell off. Kind of broke, but it works. So, you have to literally take screws out of this whole freaking thing. Whole big pile right there. To get that out. Then, you can get this one screw that's holding up this whole process. Or not, or you just leave that. And you can get your tabs both sides, put your thing in. So what I decided to do was take this part, take all the other switch out. I'm gonna go clean off, throw it in the sink, wash it out, get all the sticky stuff off. Okay, so now I put it all back together. It's all clean. So now, this is right in there. And grab a screw from my pile there. Put the screw in the hole. Grab your drill. Quick, because it's an impact. Alright, done. Not just kidding. Then, take your door panel and, well, actually, let me clean this out first. Okay, as I was saying, I clean that out. This goes first, should, but the other day I broke the tab off, so. And you just have to push this back. Things inside. Okay. And you take 30 screws and you put them all back in. Maybe I'll do a time lapse really quick. If you can see the struggle with one hand right now, it's pretty funny. There you go. Yeah, my neighbors are probably like, what is this guy doing? I don't care. Okay, and you stick this up here. Look in your finger. And make sure the holes are lined up. All little tabs in there. Snap it back together. Put it back on the mirror. Over the mirror cover there. Where you go like that. Good as new. Put your screws back in the door. One and two. There you go. Take the drill. Go like that. Take the drill again. Without that falling on. Okay, you push the little tab in. Done. Take your other plastic piece. Let's see. Doesn't really matter. You just gotta set it and push right in the middle. Done. And that, ladies and gentlemen, and you push those little tabs in, make sure it's in there. That's how you replaced the window switch, 2011 to 2014 Hyundai Sonata. Like and subscribe. And this was Chris Camaro signing off.